Have you ever needed a last-minute gift and didn't know what to do? Hey Bestie, this is Lisa. Welcome back. Today I'm going to help you solve that problem. I found the cutest little Santa jacket bucket at the Dollar Tree. Look how adorable that is. And then I picked out a bunch of different candies, so some mini candy canes. I got this cute little packet of coal. It's chocolate. It's so good. I tasted it. Anyway, some milk chocolate. And then also these little, I don't know what they are. It says they're fruit chocolate or something like that. I did not taste those. Anyway, we're just going to open up the candies and we're going to arrange them all on the inside of the bucket. I'll put the coal on the top so it almost looks like you're just getting coal. I thought that would be kind of cute to do. So right now I'm just throwing them all in there, and just kind of arranging them. And there you see I'm just putting the coal on the top, kind of in the right direction. I thought those were so cute. Oh my gosh. And like I said, they tasted way too good. Anyway, I'm going to take this red Dollar Tree ribbon and I'm just going to put it underneath the bucket and up through the handles. And I'll just cut a piece that meets at the top that I can tie a long bow with. I'm just going to tie a regular bow. Now, because it's one-sided ribbon, you do need to make sure that you're holding the loops with the design facing you, and that way you'll still see it once you tie the bow. And I just did little bunny ears bow because it's easier to see how they're going to end up. And then I'll just kind of, distribute the ribbon a little bit and kind of fluff it, just kind of make it look nice and make sure that the pretty side is facing forward. Then I've got this green mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make a little awareness bow. I'll just cut a piece, cinch it in the middle. I'll use a pipe cleaner to do that. And then, that makes a cute little bow. It's almost like a perfect bow, especially if you are bow challenged like I am. I know, as much as I do this, you would think I would be getting better at my bows, but not so far. Anyway, I'm going to leave that pipe cleaner piece on the back so I can tie it around the center of the red bow. And that just adds a really pretty sparkly pop of green to the top of this cute little bucket. I will fluff the bow again because, it always needs to be fluffed. And then I've got this cute little gift tag. I'm just going to take the little red bead and put it right in the center of that bow. So it almost looks like a flower. And then that's the gift tag. And you can write the to and the from on there. I love how cute this is. It turned out so nice. It was easy. And what a fun little bucket of sweets to give to someone for a last minute Christmas gift. Let me know what you think. Dollar Tree has the best items to make the cutest little gift mug package. I found this beautiful joy mug, which I think could be used all through the year. And then I've got this hot cocoa ball. It is the coolest thing. You just put it in and pour hot milk over it and it opens up and creates hot chocolate. How cute is that? And I'm going to cut out the instructions just in case, because for whoever gets this, they might not know what to do. So I thought it made sense. I'm just going to tape the little ball to the instructions and then put it inside of the mug. And that way they know exactly what to do when they get it. Because I don't know if I would have known what to do. I'm going to take these Junior Mints Peppermint Crunch little pieces and I'm going to cut a gift bag I got from the Dollar Tree down to a smaller size. I'm going to pour some in there and then I'm just going to take a green pipe cleaner and tie off the top. I thought that would be kind of cool to drop in the hot chocolate and give it that little peppermint flavor. Oh my gosh, and they're so good. I tasted a few of them. Yeah, I better not go back and buy more. Anyway, I'm going to stick that little bag in there. Then they have these adorable chocolate stirring spoons, and I'm just going to take another little bottom part of a bag and put a couple in there and then tie that off with another green pipe cleaner and put that inside the mug. So what we're doing is we're just loading up this mug with everything you need to make an awesome cup of hot chocolate. Very easy. So there it is with everything inside. Now I've got two different ribbons from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take this beautiful red one. I'm going to put it around the entire mug through the handle, just cut off a piece, and I'm not going to hot glue it to the mug itself, but I'll hot glue the one piece to the other one. That way there won't be any hot glue issues to deal with for the person who receives the gift. So just go ahead and attach that. And then where the seam is will become the front of the mug. I'm going to take this other kind of mesh ribbon and just make a little awareness bow, cinch the middle, and add another little pipe cleaner piece to, tie that off in the center. Now, once I have that on there, I'll just snip off the ends, I'll fluff the bow, and I'm going to hot glue it right to the center of that seam that we left on the mug itself with the other ribbon. And that way it just gives us such a pretty festive look. I love it. And again, we're not putting any hot glue on the mug itself, just on the ribbon. Now, to create a little piece that goes over it, I've got these little ornaments from Dollar Tree, and they're so cute. What I'm going to do with these is hot glue it right in the center of the bow, and then you could write on the back, the to and the from, and then they end up with a cute little ornament too, which I think is super, super cute. This was so easy, so quick, and very inexpensive to make, and I think you could get several of these and give them as gifts. This would be a nice teacher gift or coworker gift, or when you just have to bring something unexpected, you just have something like this ready to go. I know I would like receiving one. I think it's super cute. You'll have to let me know what you think. And so easy to put together. I found this beautiful stocking at the Dollar Tree, and I thought this would be perfect for making a gift. I've got an ornament that we'll use as a gift tag. I've got this chocolate bar that looks like money, and then 2 little kid toys that I thought were super cute and fun. And then a little water bottle. And what we're just going to do is remove the tag from the stocking, and then we'll put the gifts on the inside, and then we'll just add the gift tag. I mean, this could not be easier. But look how cute they end up with a stocking and the other parts of the gift. And then you don't have to wrap it. It's just perfect way to present the gift. And I just love things like that are so easy, kind of like compact all-in-one type things, and everything is a gift, every part of it. So I did have to rearrange that one game to fit it in there, but that was no big deal. And then just squeezing that water bottle in there was a little challenging, but I did get it to go in. And luckily it's plastic, so it's a little bit on the squishy side. And then just adding the chocolate bar at the end, which will be such a fun little bonus with the toys. Now I'm just going to take the hanger for the stocking, and I'll just kind of loop through the ornament, which is now our gift tag, and that just attached it perfectly. And then you can just write the to and the from on the back. This is such a cute, easy way to create a little last-minute gift that you might need to bring for a kid, one of your children's friends or grandchildren's friends, or just anyone that needs a gift for a child. I love when things are this easy. You'll have to let me know what you think. Little mini stockings are so cute, and it comes 2 in the little pack. And then I have this ornament that I'm going to use as a gift tag, and then I've got 2 gift cards, one for the movies and one for Chipotle, which would be for dinner. So we're just going to remove the tag. This is about the easiest thing you could ever do to create a last minute gift. Literally, I'm just going to take this little stocking. I'm going to get rid of the tag first of all, because it just keeps popping up and we don't want that sticking out. So no big deal. Once that's gone, we can move on with life. I'm going to take just a little bit of tissue paper and wrap up the gift cards, and then I'm going to put them inside of the little mini stocking. I thought it might be better to do that. They might slip out otherwise, so this kind of fills up the stocking and just holds them in there a little bit more securely. Now I'm just going to attach the little gift tag to the top. I'm just going to kind of string it through the loop that's already there, and super easy thing to do. You could attach it any way you want. I just wanted to make it so that it would just kind of hang off the top of the stocking, but you could still hang the little stocking if you wanted to. See how I'm just looping that around the gift tag? And that creates a little bit of a slip knot, and now it's very secure. Then I'm going to take this green mesh ribbon from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to kind of loop it up and then stuff it in the top just so it looks like it's popping out. I thought that would look really cute to have that pop of green there. And that's it for this one. It's all done. You got a nice gift for dinner and a movie ready to go. Super easy. And what a nice thing to have on hand in case you need to give a last minute gift. And who doesn't like to receive gift cards, especially for dinner and a movie? They're so expensive these days. Let me know what you think. Ready for more inspiration? Here's another video I think you'll really like. If you click on it, I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye!